Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today let us see how to make guacamole. For this we need 3 avocado, 1 red onion, 2 tomatoes, lemon, few coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, few slices of jalapenos and salt to taste. Finely chop the onion, remove the seeds and flesh from the tomato and cut it into small pieces. Finely chop the jalapenos and finely chop the coriander leaves. Wash the fruit, and if you touch the fruit it should be soft and tender. Then only it is ready to use. Insert the knife all around the seed and open it. Then remove the seed. Just scoop out the avocado and take the flesh out. Smash the avocado with the help of the fork. Squeeze the lemon juice. Mix it well so that the color will not change. Add the finely chopped onion. Add the tomatoes. Seeds are removed and cut it to small pieces. Add the jalapenos. It is also finely chopped. Add cumin powder. Salt to taste. And coriander leaves. Mix it well. Guacamole is ready. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.